Good morning, Year 1 and 2. I hope you had a nice weekend. So this week in English, we are going to be doing our own newspaper report. So we're going to plan it, and then we're going to write it, and then we're going to do a final product. So today, I really want you to think about why we have newspaper reports. So think back to last week's learning, okay? A newspaper report explains a real life event. It tells you how something happened and what happened. Okay, so can you remember the key features of a newspaper report? If you're not sure, you can pause and look back at last week's learning quickly. So, key features. We always have a headline. The headline grabs the reader's attention, okay, and it really tells you what's going on. We always have subheadings. So when we're writing these, we needed to think, how are we going to make them different? So a headline, you'd normally put them in capital letters to make them stand out. Subheadings, they tend to be bold. So when you come to do your final report, make sure you make them really, really bold. Okay. You always tend to have a photo, okay? And then for the photo, you'll have a caption, which tells you about the photo. You also learnt about adjectives. Adjectives describe an object. Okay, so we're going to make sure we use these in our writing. Okay, so today what you're going to do is you're going to plan out your newspaper report. If you go onto the website, there are some templates if you'd like to use them, but you can just make your own if you would like. So with a bit of paper, if you've got an A4 bit of paper, I'd use the whole thing. I'm just going to model it small down here. So say this is your A4 paper. You might start off with your title. So all I'm going to put is that my title is going to go across here. So I'm just going to write title. Okay? Don't worry about coming up with any ideas yet, because that's what we're going to do tomorrow. Then I'm going to put my headline here. I've decided to go all the way across to make it bold and stand out. So in a newspaper report, they tend to write in columns, so you have thin columns. So I'm just going to draw a line down the middle. So decide where you want to put your photo, okay? You can, or picture, or whatever you're going to do. You can put it anywhere on the page. I'm just going to put mine up here. So this is going to be my photo. So underneath the photo, I'm going to put my caption. So this section here and this section here is where my writing will go tomorrow. So, and at the bottom, you always have the author's name. So that's how you would plan to lay out your newspaper report. So have a go at this, post them on Seesaw, let us see where you're going to put your items. Enjoy!